Hello, hello. This is awesome. I've got a little face now because I've worked out how to do it. All right. First thing we want to do is say, congratulations, ReMarkable, on the new Paper Pro. It looks beautiful. 3 differences. 3. There is a backlight. It is a tiny bit bigger. And colour. They've brought out colour. The software is the same, from what I can tell. The software is exactly the same. And I hear that the ReMarkable one runs the same software too. So I think there's a few nuances, but for the most part, don't quote me on that. It was a while ago I read that actually, so I could be wrong. All right, what I wanted to show you is there's been a new update, a new software update. I think they probably timed it to come out with the Paper Pro. So version 3.14.1.9, if we go and have a look at the release notes, we can see release 3.14. For the wordsmiths, typists and editors, especially those who work with text in our apps and on their paper tablets, take writing to the next level with more options for column width and a new gesture for selecting text with your marker. I'm wondering if I can, I don't know if you need to see me the whole time. So I'm wondering how, I know what to do. If I did that, you can't see me anymore. And then that is so clever. I love it. All right. Let's focus on the ReMarkable and we will go through this. I love it. This is awesome. All right. Marginal gains. With 2 choices for column width, you can decide how much of the page to fill with typed text. The wider option gives you more space. The narrow leaves extra room for notes in the margin. I'll show you that in a minute. Hold that thought. We've made selecting typed text with your marker easier. Instead of drawing a line across or through your text using the selection tool, hold the tip of your marker on the display and drag it across words. Other improvements, in addition to a better reading experience on your mobile app, with larger text, we fixed some annoying bugs on the paper tablet with exported files and tightened cloud security. Draw with straight lines and export them without black shapes that shouldn't be there. When you snap the highlighter to text, it displays correctly on all devices. That's the bottom of it. All right, so let us go to the margins and the selecting. Both are in typed text. So let us go back here. And this is why I have a typed text document here. There we go. So what you can do now when you're in here is you can change the column width. All right. And there is an extra keystroke now, either tapping with your finger or tapping with the pen, because if you now want to edit text, you have to actually, it doesn't bring you straight in. So before, when you tapped on the T, it would bring you straight in. Now you tap on the T, then tap on edit text, and then you edit. But what we're actually doing here is showing you, at the moment, it's on the narrow column. Can you see the left column? So far, the column margins are here and about here, I think. But what happens when you tap on wide column, you can see that if we close the menu bar, it becomes wider. So that is the that is the column width. So now the selection tool, you click the selection tool and you hold the tip of the marker and you can drag wherever it is. So you can't double tap like you can on most things. See, if you double tap, it doesn't do anything. But wherever you start, if you start on the E, it goes through. If you start on the Y, it has to see it as the Y. If you start on the T, you can now select and then it gives you options. So edit brings up the keyboard again, so that's an extra step. But if you start here and then you drag, you can then bold, copy, italicized, cut. So we could, I think we're already, no, we're not already in bold. There you go. You can bold part of it. So they are all your options. So that's basically it for this update. I can't really show you the other things that they've done, but down the bottom here, they've fixed some annoying bugs. So that's it. I hope that was helpful for those of you who are looking for the new software update. That is it. Actually, I like to finish on this. Yeah, so that's it for those of you that are looking for the new software update, release 3.14. And of course, there is a new Paper Pro for ReMarkable, which is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.